Hello friends, welcome to Bindu Dadwal Chemistry Lessons. The topic that we take today is enzyme catalysis. Enzymes are complex nitrogenous compounds which are produced by living plants and animals. These are proteins produced by living systems and catalyze certain biological reactions. These are therefore known as biochemical catalysts, and the phenomena is known as biochemical कैटालिसिस। तो जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स में जो कैटलिस्ट की तरह बिहेव करते हैं उनको हम एंजाइम्स कहते हैं। Chemically, all enzymes are proteins with molar mass ranging from 15,000 to 1 million gram per mole. Without enzymes, the living processes would be very slow to sustain life. You can see that if you eat a meal today without enzymes, it will take 50 years to digest that single meal. Examples of enzymatic reactions are the enzyme zymase of yeast can convert glucose into ethanol and carbon dioxide. Urease can hydrolyze urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. Enzyme diastase hydrolyzes starch into maltose. The enzyme maltase hydrolyzes maltose, the disaccharide, into monosaccharide called glucose. Similarly, the invertase enzyme of yeast can hydrolyze sucrose into its monosaccharides, glucose and fructose. The enzymes of Mycoderma aceti, which is present in old vinegar, can oxidize ethanol to acetic acid or vinegar. Then urease enzyme can decompose urea into ammonia and carbon dioxide. In our stomach, the enzyme pepsin can convert proteins into peptides, whereas in intestine, the pancreatic enzyme trypsin can convert proteins into amino acids. The lactobacillus present in milk can curdle the milk. Curd will be formed. So these are some common enzymatic reactions. Characteristics of enzyme catalysis. High efficiency. The enzyme catalysts increase the speed of reaction by 10 raised to power 8 to 10 raised to power 20 times as compared to uncatalyzed reaction. They are highly efficient, and one molecule of enzyme may transform 1 million molecule of the reactants per minute. These are required in extremely small quantities. 1 millionth of a mole can increase the rate of reaction by a factor of about 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power 6. For example, the enzyme renin, which is used for coagulation of milk to make cheese, coagulates over 1 million times its own weight of milk protein. Specificity. The enzyme catalysts are highly specific in nature. Only one enzyme can catalyze a particular reaction. Temperature. The rate of an enzyme reaction becomes maximum at definite temperature called optimum temperature. On either side of this temperature, the enzyme activity decreases. Enzyme catalysts are active at a moderate temperature of 298 to 310 Kelvin. Similarly, they work better at an optimum pH of between 5 to 7. The control of activity of enzymes. The enzyme activity is controlled by various mechanisms and inhibited by various organic and inorganic molecules. These enzymes their activity of enzymes is also regulated. It is controlled. When needed, this rate of reaction can be increased by increase in the production of enzymes, and it may be decreased or stopped also. Increasing activity in the presence of certain molecules, these are called activators or coenzymes. For example, the various ions are activators and vitamins are coenzymes. influence of inhibitors and poisons. Like ordinary catalysts, in some cases the enzyme activity can be reduced or inhibited by presence of certain compounds known as enzyme inhibitors or poisons. Mechanism of enzyme catalyzed reactions. The various steps are involved in an enzyme catalyzed reaction as given below. First step is binding of enzyme to the substrate. So the reaction is enzyme binds with the substrate to form enzyme substrate complex. This reaction is fast and reversible. The shapes of enzyme and substrate are such that they exactly fit into each other, just like a key fits into a lock. Second step is the dissociation of enzyme substrate complex to form products. So in the complex here, the substrate will change into products, and then later on in the last step the products will separate from the enzyme. The second step of formation of enzyme substrate complex is slow and rate determining. The catalytic properties of enzymes is present at certain specific regions on their surfaces. These sites are called active sites or catalytic sites. The active sites have characteristic shape and possess active groups such as amino, carboxylic, hydroxyl or thioalcohol group, etc. These molecules of substrate which have complementary shape fit suitably into these active sites. Specific binding accounts for the high specificity of these enzyme reactions. The specificity of fitting together of the substrate structure and enzyme structure is explained on the basis of two models. The first is lock and key model and the second is induced fit model. So just like a lock and key, a specific key fits into a particular lock only. Similarly, the molecule on which the enzyme acts fits into the slot as key fits into the lock. The shape of active site of any given enzyme is such that only a specific substrate can fit into it, the same way as one key can open a particular lock. Now, modern X-ray and crystallographic and spectroscopic methods have shown that in many cases the enzyme slightly changes its shape when substrate lands at the active site. The ability of enzyme to undergo the correct distortion also determines whether the key will fit or not. This refinement of original lock and key model is known as induced fit model. That is, the substrate induces the active site to adopt a perfect fit. The particular shape and nature and location of the atoms at the binding site account for the extraordinary specificity of the enzyme. Applications of the enzymes. First is industrial applications. Enzymes are used in breweries for the manufacture of beer, wine, etc. by fermentation of carbohydrates. In food processing industries, they are used for preparing sweet syrup, and in the production of cheese by the coagulation of milk. Then there are enzymes in our body whose deficiency can cause diseases, and the diseases can be prevented by providing those enzymes. For example, phenylketonuria is a disease that is caused because of the deficiency of phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme, and this can be treated by giving a diet with low phenylalanine content. Similarly, deficiency of tyrosinase enzyme causes albinism. Then these enzymes are also used for curing diseases. For example, streptokinase, an enzyme, is given for people ailing with heart diseases. The streptokinase enzyme helps in dissolving blood clots. Difference between enzyme and inorganic catalysts. Enzymes are complex proteins and have high molecular mass, whereas inorganic catalysts are simple ions or small molecules with low molecular mass. Enzymes catalyze biological reactions. Inorganic catalysts catalyze non-biological reactions. Enzymes are highly specific in their nature. Inorganic catalysts are not so specific in nature. The efficiency of enzymes is very high. Efficiency of inorganic catalysts is not so high. The efficiency of enzymes is greatly affected by changes in temperature or pH, whereas these are not much affected by change in temperature or pH.